Hey, so this is Dustin from What's in the Shop. Today we're working on our 2019 Grand Design Imagine, and the customer's here for basically some regular, normal scheduled maintenance, as well as we're going to be doing a free exterior evaluation on the coach too. So come with us and let's see what we can find out. Hi, so one of the things that the customer's here for today is for a water heater service. This is a Dometic water heater, formerly Atwood Company. When you're looking at the water heater, one of the things that everybody always calls and asks for is, hey, I need a part for my water heater. Well, on this side right here, this is all the model and serial number information. So whenever you're calling a service repair shop or a dealership, there's a product number, a serial number, and then there's the model number. So make sure you have that information when you're contacting the shop. Some of the things that we're looking at when we're doing a service on the water heaters, we're looking at the position of the pop-off valve. We're looking to see if the thread removal ring has been removed, because it eventually will fall down and cause it to melt on the burner chamber. That was just a thread protector from back in the day when it was built, so that was never removed on the PDI or the initial inspection. We're looking at the ECO and T-stat to make sure that this gasket is actually glued in place and you can see that it's loose. So I'm going to push that back down temporarily. We'll probably have to put some glue on it. Just common things is we have the drain plug, which is plastic. You don't ever want to replace that with a brass or metal plug. That's actually made to explode and break out if the pop-off valve fails. So if it fails to relieve the pressure, then this will blow out. When we're doing the water heater service, we're checking to make sure that certain items are sealed on it, that the hinges and hardware are good, that the sealant on top is good. We're checking the burner tube, cleaning it. We're cleaning and checking the electrode, making sure there's no cracks or no damage to that. We're checking the operation of the temperature. We're flushing the tank. We're doing a leak check on the gas valve, both areas. We're checking and cleaning the orifice. And then we're also blowing out the exhaust tube port, which basically, this is a complete U that goes all the way up and through and comes out. So it starts down here, lets the heat come in, and lets the heat exhaust out through the top. So another thing that we're looking at on the water heater too is some of the Suburban water heaters have a plastic door clip where the Dometic have a metal. So if you do have a Suburban water heater on your Grand Design, we recommend that you remove this clip and from a plastic and put the metal one on. The plastic ones tend to dry out over time and will break and fall off. Then another item that this customer has added prior to us working on it was he added the mud dauber screen protection. This is going to keep the bees, mud daubers, anything else that can get in there out. It's going to help prevent it from coming in. The reason that's there is, even though the Dometic makes a screen on it to try to keep some of the bigger pests out, is propane's got a natural garlic byproduct in it called ethanol mercaptan. That smells like food to the pests, so they want to come in here and they want to get into this burner exhaust area chamber. So, and that's where you get your spider webs and your other critters that want to come inside. So making sure that you have one of these on is just a good CYA